Hi everyone, see in this problem, here one circuit is given and it consists of 3 voltage sources and 1 resistor is given. So in the circuit, how can find the power dissipated at 5 ohm resistor? This is the problem. So first of all, apply the KVL here. So here the current direction given like this. Now this is V1 and this is V2 and this is V3. So according to KVL, V1 plus V2 plus V3 and this is V4 plus V4 equal to 0. So here in V1 the current was entering at minus sign, so that's why it takes as minus 12 plus, and in V2 current entering at minus, so that's why it was taken as minus 18, and here plus sign, so plus 25 plus, in this the current is I, so 5 into I, that is V4 voltage, that's equal to 0. So here by simplifying this, it get minus 30 plus 25 plus 5i equal to 0, minus 5 plus 5i equal to 0. So from this we get I equal to 1 ampere. But here we want power dissipation, means we want power in 5 ohm resistor. So we know that is P equal to I square R. So I we got 1 ampere, so 1 square into R, that is 5 ohms, nothing but 5 watts. This is power dissipated in resistor 5 ohms. So from the options, option is the correct option, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.